Did you know that some video editors are making six figures a year just from their laptops? The demand for video content is skyrocketing, and if you have the right skills, you can tap into this booming industry and make serious money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up your video editing business. By the end, you'll have a clear path to turning your passion for video into a profitable income stream. Let's get started. But here's the problem. Most people don't know where to start. They get overwhelmed by all the software options, struggle to find clients, or undercharge for their work. Maybe you've tried offering your services, but you're stuck working on low-paying gigs that don't make it worth your time. I get it. It can feel like an uphill battle. But here's the truth: video editing is one of the best ways to make money online, and if you follow the right strategy, you can break through the competition and build a thriving career. 1. The growing demand for video editors. Video is everywhere: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, online courses, business ads. Companies, influencers, and brands need high-quality video content to engage their audience. In 2024 and beyond, this demand is only growing. A study by Cisco predicts that over 80% of internet traffic will be video. That means more opportunities for skilled editors. If you learn how to edit professionally, you'll never run out of work. Even better, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality videos that help them grow. 2. Essential skills every video editor needs. Before you start making money, you need to master the basics. This includes cutting and trimming footage, adding transitions, color grading, and sound design. But beyond the technical skills, storytelling is key. A great video editor knows how to make a video flow smoothly, keep viewers engaged, and enhance the overall message. If you're just starting, focus on mastering one software, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, before expanding your skill set. 3. Best tools and software for video editing. Your software is your toolbox, and choosing the right one depends on your needs. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are industry standards, but if you're on a budget, DaVinci Resolve and CapCut are powerful free alternatives. Plugins and templates can speed up your workflow, so consider investing in assets like Motion Array or Envato Elements. The key is efficiency. Clients want fast turnarounds, so the right tools can make all the difference. 4. Freelancing versus full-time video editing. You have two main career paths: freelancing or working a full-time editing job. Freelancing gives you flexibility and unlimited income potential, but it takes time to build a client base. A full-time position offers stability and a steady paycheck, but limits your earning potential. Many editors start with freelancing as a side hustle while keeping their day job until they can transition fully. 5. How to build a portfolio that attracts clients. Your portfolio is your resume. If you don't have past clients, create sample projects, edit a mock commercial, a travel montage, or a social media clip. Use a website like Behance or a simple YouTube/Vimeo channel to showcase your work. The goal? Show potential clients what you can do. Quality over quantity. A strong, well-presented portfolio can get you hired even if you're a beginner. 6. Where to find high-paying clients. Clients won't come to you, you have to go to them. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour are good starting points, but competition is fierce. Instead, focus on networking. Reach out to YouTubers, small businesses, and online course creators who need video editing. LinkedIn and Facebook groups are gold mines for finding potential clients. Send personalized messages offering your services and show them how you can add value. 7. How to price your video editing services. Underpricing is one of the biggest mistakes new editors make. Don't charge $5 per video just to get clients. Instead, base your pricing on your skills, turnaround time, and client budget. A good starting point? $25 to $50 per hour or $150 to $500 per project. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and offer premium services like color grading, motion graphics, or animation. 8. Scaling up, turning video editing into a business. Once you have a steady stream of clients, it's time to scale. Instead of working alone, consider outsourcing parts of your work to other editors. This allows you to take on more clients while focusing on high-level projects. Building a team means you can move from being a freelancer to running a full-blown video production business. The more efficient your workflow, the more money you make. 9. Passive income ideas for video editors. Don't just trade time for money, build passive income. You can create and sell video templates, editing courses, or stock footage. Platforms like Envato, Motion Array, and Shutterstock allow you to sell pre-made assets while earning money on autopilot. Teaching video editing on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare is another great way to generate recurring income. 10. How to stand out in a competitive market. The video editing industry is competitive, but standing out is possible. Build a strong personal brand, create engaging content, and network with industry professionals. Leverage social media to showcase your work and interact with potential clients. The editors who make the most money aren't just skilled, they're also great marketers. Focus on positioning yourself as an expert, and clients will seek you out. The truth is, making money as a video editor isn't just about skill, it's about strategy. The people making six figures didn't get there by accident. They followed a system, stayed consistent, and continuously improved. Every day you hesitate is a day you could be making progress. Whether you're just starting or already experienced, the opportunity is out there. You just have to take action. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which strategy are you going to apply first? And since you stayed until the end, I have something special for you. Check the description for useful links and exclusive resources. And don't go anywhere, YouTube has chosen the perfect next video for you to watch. It's on the screen now. Click it, and I'll see you there.